Yeah, welcome to Set and Forget Traders, where we are here to analyze the coming week's price action and what happened on the previous week. So, guys, sit back and keep a keen eye on the analysis so that you might be interested to know what's coming in the coming week. So, we are currently looking at USDCAD, and as you can see yourself, okay, our analysis is structured in two ways. We have the demand and we have the supply. The demand chart, which is this one, allows us to know where the buyers are coming in and where the sellers, where they're going to take their profits at. We know where the buyers are in and we know where they're going to take their profits out. And the supply chart, which is here, is going to allow us to know where the sellers are coming in and where they're going to take their profits out. Yeah, that being said, let's jump into our analysis for the coming week. Cheers, and maybe you learn one or two things. From the supply chart, because the price has been really bearish for a long months, we can see that the sellers on the daily candle, let's say on the daily candle, you can be able to see that the sellers pushed price lower. And on last week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So, the lower time frame demand level 1.35426. That's where the sellers took their profits, all of it, and price had. After they take profits, the volume reduces. When the volume reduces, it becomes easier for buyers to enter the market. I hope that's clear with you. Yeah, we know where the sellers are going to take their profits at the supply levels and allowing us to position our buy orders at those levels. So the sellers took profit at 354.26 and pushed the market back into the supply zone. This was a trade lasting about 1900 points. So guys, we had a very clean entry on this chart, and this is how we caught it, by entering the market at 1.35426, and we're still holding the trade, but we have closed our partials and locked the profits. When we check the buyers, we want to know, are the buyers really going to take the price to the next level, or are the buyers really close? Where are the buyers going to take their profits? Before we go to the buyers, when you check at this supply chart, you are intrigued to understand that the sellers have taken, that the price closed inside the supply chart. Weird, right? Price closed inside this supply chart. So this week, our mind might be delusional to think that the sellers are coming in again, which they might, or might it's positioned in a good way so that we might be confused of where the price is going. Yeah, but on this level, we're not going to sell at this level. We're going to sell at this next level, where I don't want to let you know about it. Yeah, we're going to sell at this level, or we're going to sell at this pivot level 1.39028. Yeah, we're going not to sell at the current price, but at the higher price. The demand chart is allowing us to know where the buyers are going. So buyers are taking price into the next demand zone, which is at the proximal level 1.38935, and that's the line is 1.39435. Yeah, so be informed of what the buyers are doing and be positioned for the upcoming wave. So in case the price comes down, bro, you need to buy this price at 1.36631 and 1.35843. Don't hesitate to buy at those two levels, 1.36631 and 1.35843. Don't hesitate to buy back. All right, simple as that, and we're done for the day. And buyers might need to take price there to the next demand level, but we have an existing lower time frame demand zone at 1.38196. When you're going to check at the moving average, you'll be able to see at the 1 hour time frame how precise this moving average are and their reaction to price at the imminent order level. You can see a rejection back, coming to the lower one, back to the previous one and out, and a retest back again and out. So the best place to buy is below the price level, not at the price level. This level seems to be an ideal one. Or let's check at the 4-hour time frame. That's a very precise entry for our set and forget trades. At this level here, 1.36925, you can see the price came back and pushed out. So we anticipate another pushback and out. At 36928 and 1.36828, and the last one being at 1.36715. But the price is yet to attain this level here, 1.37574. And the best selling point of this price will be at this level. The best, plus a sell limit at 1.38722, just in case the price pierces out very. Checking on the daily time frame. Checking on the daily time frame, this becomes it becomes a weak zone, and the sellers are quite above here. So USDCAD is going to push high. Around this level. So from 3.8722, you can sell at 1.38560. But you can buy at these lower levels. Make sure you buy at these lower levels, and maybe here on the daily 1.36442. So the most interesting thing about this chart is that you can see on the last week, guys, on last week, the price closed at the support, and you know what happened? We were given a green flag to place our buy orders. So the coming week we might see a continuation of the buy orders, because the weekly candle should be at 1.38014 and 1.38442 here. Make less decision. Don't make many decisions. Big companies make less decisions. Small companies make big decisions. Make many decisions. So this next one is allowing us to have you see the previous week on this moving average, the candle had closed. So this one is used to trigger the retailers, and this one is for the institutionals, and this one is for retailers. So the retailers started buying, and that's why the price wiped out them, and the retailers bought. You understand, guys? This one is used to trap retailers, and this one is used to offset institutional order levels. This is the simple moving average of the institutionals, and you can see on Friday price closed just at that level. The price closed at that moving average, and we expect a reaction at this level, 1.37827, and at this level 1.39177. But we expect a big bullish candle to be thrown into the market. This week gonna be something. That's it, guys. In case of anything, just reach out, consult us, and we'll be able to guide you. You can join our private servers, you can join it, and we'll be able to guide you and allow you to understand what's happening on the current price action. So stay focused, manage your equity well, and ask God for wisdom, dear Lord, to help you and help us make the better decisions, so that we're not going to lose our accounts. We're going to maximize and grow. Cheers, set and forget.